Here I'm at Kibukoni Road, so you can see people are walking, going to different paths. So you can see.
Come down there,
Here I'm at Kilimanjaro Hotel, as you can see. I'm here near Tanzania Front Church. It's a Lutheran church here in Dar es Salaam, Kibukoni Road, as you can see. So I'm still walking different parts of Dar es Salaam so that we can see what's going on here in Dar es Salaam. This is Tanzania Front Church, Lutheran Church here in Dar es Salaam, at Kibukoni Road. The left side, I'm very near to Azam Marine. It's where you can get your ticket if you are heading to Zanzibar. So So I'm very near to Azam Marine, where you can get tickets if you want to head to Zanzibar. So it's very near here. It's BRT Road. These are tallest buildings here in Dar es Salaam, as you can see. It's TPA. So here you can get tickets if you want to go to Zanzibar, as you can see. So there are different companies that are providing the fast ferries to Zanzibar. So if you want to get your tickets, you can take your ticket here, Zanzibar one. There are several here. On the left-hand side, these are St. Joseph Cathedral here in Dar es Salaam. It's called St. Joseph Cathedral here in Dar es Salaam. It's a Catholic church. So it's very near to Tanzania front, as you can see. So I'm still here at Azam Ferries here in Dar es Salaam, where you can get your tickets if you want to go to Zanzibar. As you can see here, in front of me you can see the tallest building is here in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. So you can see people are taking tickets. They are heading to Zanzibar. So if you want to get your ticket, these are the offices that you can get your tickets. As you can see, there is Kilimanjaro Fast Ferries Limited, or Azam Marine. As you can see here. Here I'm at Nyerere Square here in Dar es Salaam. As you can see, city center. So I'm still walking different parts of Dar es Salaam, different streets. That's a BRT bus, as you can see. Here in the city center, as you can see. So if you want to get street food, as I can see on my right hand side, you can see there are street food that you can get. So right now I'm heading Kisutu. You can see, so I'm still working different parts of Dar es Salaam. So I'm still walking here in city center, Dar es Salaam. I'm at the city center here in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. Walking different parts of Dar es Salaam, yeah, city center. Right now I'm near to the DIT, Dar es Salaam Institute of Technology, here in Dar es Salaam City Center. So in front of me you can see the BRT station, DIT at DIT, Dar es Salaam Institute of Technology here. So it has been a long journey from Ferry to DIT here in Dar es Salaam City Center. And on my left of DIT you can see there is a mall. It's called City Center Mall. So once you visit Dar es Salaam, you can get your, it's called the City Center Mall, as I can see. So right now I'm here DIT.